enough of the boring stuff, right? So for those of you that do not know, we lubricate our key switches because we want a smoother experience, right? It will make it nice and buttery. We film our switches because it will decrease the tolerances in between a top switch and a bottom half of a switch. So what that looks like is this. Pretty much all of my key switches that I've used have play in between the top and bottom housing. Khail's, Gatoron's, Cherry's. This is a top housing, this is a bottom housing. And you can see that there is a small amount of wiggle there. So what you can do is this. Take your film that you purchase. These are Deskeys branded. They will come in a package like this. Every brand has different available options and how many films you want to get, but they will come in these sheets. So what we want to do is remove them, and it will look like this. These have a cutout for LEDs. I'm not sure if other manufacturers have that option as well, but we're just going to place it on the bottom housing, just like that. We're going to take our spring, put it back in, make sure our stem is the appropriate direction. You will know because the, what do you call these? The feet of the stem will activate on your copper contact points. So slide her down, grab our top housing, make sure we are oriented in the appropriate direction, which we are not. There we are. Put that back on and just basically sandwich them together. And we want to make sure that our switch film is in the appropriate position and not bowing. Sometimes these feet on the side will push down on the side of the films and cause them to bow. But all you do is just push it down. You'll hear the click. You may have to push a little hard on the sides and the clips as well. But that is how you film a switch. And it will literally get rid of all of the play in the top and bottom housing of the switch. It will make it feel way, way, way smoother. These are Khail Speed Silvers, one of my favorites. They're just so sensitive though. Now for lubrication of the switches, I'm using SS coupler approved Finish Line Extreme Fluro. I've not had any issues at all with any of these other builds doing that. However, I do not want to use Krytox because I'm a GP. So yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, guys. Now enjoy the rest of the build.